non-cognizable offence has been filed against Bollywood actress Kim Sharma for allegedly assaulting her former house help after she forgot to separate the whites from the rest of the laundry in May. According to Esther Khes, she began working at Kim's Khar residence on 27th of April. While doing the laundry on 21st of May, she apparently forgot to separate light and dark colored clothes. While Esther told Kim about her mistake, she allegedly flew into a rage, yelled at her and manhandled her. Esther claimed that Kim refused to settle her pay as well. Meanwhile, Kim told Mumbai Mirror that she did not beat Esther and told her that her dues would be cleared on the 7th. Talking about the manhandling accusations, Kim said that Esther ruined her clothes worth over 70,000 rupees, so she only asked Esther to leave after she did that.